Hi guys, it's me again, Lynn from Deelyn Real Life. I know, but maybe somebody might download and post it somewhere. So I need to advertise my brand. It's Deelyn Real Life or Deelyn. It's Lynn. Yes. Instagram is Deelyn Real Life or my personal account, Linda Ampedu. TikTok is Deelyn_Real Life. I'm here today because of Beyou comedy. Some time ago, not long ago, I think sometime in September, October last year, I came on our WhatsApp status. I posted for our loved ones to go and subscribe. Those that did subscribe, majority of them won a prize, and you was given your prize for subscribing to Beyou comedy. Beyou comedy to the world. Beyou is like Black Panther. Yes. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to Beyou comedy, Uncle Beyou, Uncle Emmanuel's page, Beyou comedy on YouTube. We're a free advert because I love Beyou comedy. They give us quality content. What I say. If you've not yet subscribed, please do go and subscribe. Beyou, Beyou together. Beyou comedy on YouTube, Beyou comedy on all social media handles. To our non-Ghanaian loved ones, especially Lempi, all the way in Namibia, I know because of us, you went to subscribe to Beyou comedy on YouTube to watch Akete Mpeninsem and her uncle Beyou. But I will have to do this in our local language, but I will summarize it a little bit in English so you guys can get a feel of what I'm about to talk about. So what it is that Beyou made us all aware that his proper needs, as his biological needs, is Akete Mpeninsem. Because of the love he had for the girl. Even me, the bond that I have with both Akete and Beyou, I will post all of it. He never even disclosed it to me that she was not biologically, he wasn't biologically related to him. Until just yesterday when I watched his live video, him coming out and spitting out the whole truth. What it is that as we speak, Akete Mpenisem's parents, that little cute girl, Wendy's parents, originally known as Akete Mpeninsem, her parents has taken her away from Uncle Emmanuel, Uncle Beyou, because of money issues. They are just irate. I don't even know how to publish or polish this whole sugar coated. They are irate. Akete's parents are irate. So now they are not working together. Akete and Beyou are not working together. And for Beyou to come out and cry in his live video, what even pained him most is that the parents of this young little girl who recently turned 4 has been able to brainwash this little girl that when she sees Uncle Beyou, she should not even say hello. Nowadays, when Akete Mpeninsem sees Uncle Beyou, she walks past. I don't blame the girl. I don't blame Akete. I can never blame Akete. I still love Akete till now, to the moon and back, because she's just a child. Yeah, every child loves her parents or his parents and will choose his or her parents over any other person. So we shouldn't blame Akete. So this is a bit about what I'm about to talk about. This is a bit about the thing I'm about to talk about is why I've been able to summarize it. Now, Akete Mpenisem's parents, somebody tag them for me. I've never asked anyone to tag when I come live, but this is so upsetting and so annoying. Yeah? Akete Mpeninsem, ne mame, ene ne papa, muntie na supem. Niamo ya no mobano, edachi ena mo say no. Emmanuel, Beyou, Uncle Beyou, Kawakuma to yem. Na ya deswe bi ena sebe na da so. O boy no boy ba wiase no de bia me kasa bi before ana adasa. E wiase yanti wiase ase. Ankasa weti mi wa bo me wa kame no. Nkiya nye bi da. Yanti obo ade ni wiase ase nti no. De bia we yeti mi we ya bo me we ya kame. Beyou oda dawati wunye nwi wuda in fact. Oba skeleton now to one near the Usi Museum. Now nana nkanso amo ba behel. Oda dabra adeswa ene few so me Linda me de say simebo because of the bond I have with you and Akete. Me ti hey D is not even aware. Me kuma Juliet the oya aware. Me shopping. Me ya shopping. Madam First or wa Accra dance man aware because on no so and a shopping no ekokosi. Me Auntie Tilly squeaky clean concept here in Milton Keynes. Yeah? Aware because on air cargo. Me to me kojina shops. Different shops. Julie meboa kasa meboa. Na my Akete Mpeninsem shopping. Close to £500. Na me dia mame auntie. Air cargo, squeaky concept. No dia bagana no so kraminchi almost £200. Sebeyan and Sabekana that day. Esther General Dansomana. Why any VIP shopping net you. Me see me with video evidence because Beyou be that girl, that boy is so honest and faithful. Beyou is so honest and faithful, Uncle Emmanuel. Because me VIP near mano in Tariana ma ship through air cargo. I see Madam Esther so Accra dance man no. Esther Kokojia no the ama VIP. Yeah, the physical pounds cash. As some way, me he does na make about nya banis area na meka. Akete Mpeninsem parents more ungrateful. Moya I read. Me mini asa me ba be di matem. Me wa hasa me de asem e ba betu mutrim. Sebe ya da ache mo ba no. So onya manager any producer bia mo nkonko sei ne da ache na mo a mo wo ga na bia wo pesa oni Akete ye ejuma. Manager kro na mbuso onya no. Wo wo ga na wo pesa oni Akete ye ejuma no. My peaceful and humble advice to you is China Akete yin room pempen so a ono abede ne ho a obetumi ne wa sign a contract because nebusiafo no ne maame ne papa omo mpa akola ne yie wo mo ye I read sika bi odia meba sika be within a year otumi save market no mo nkobu so mo say ne saska no ewe obi ba o Emmanuel a on fi mo ebusiem enne kura na me mete se mumu ye northness ono ya santini me say one piece obi be hu Emmanuel be hu so ne bane akola no but akoba no so pretend say sister na ne bane anu na me enkofo ni odo de man da bio DNT eno kra me nje ma me ni me ni Beyou akasa. He wanted to grant them interview but because of the circumstances around it me budget Julie Jenna Jai ha Odia me be ku mama me nka me point in we nya sa me de me re befi. Yeah, the physical cash pounds oh. Eshantare Akete ntare ne mpaboa ne che ne swimming costume. Me ya atwede me show penhwe. And if I point you out me pewasem now be dama koma so me se mumbusa Beyou. I told Beyou say yes. I told na say mpaboa ne ntare 4 years ni atare de Beyou onfa. But scan the mammy friend. Me say, me back Juliana Botre. So, this can you fan. Ne birthday, si can na Beyou this celebrity. Ya mammy no den go you Akete birthday ase. So YouTube scan munya bebrebe no. YouTube si ka ban ni yenya. Me I am on YouTube. Me cry me to England na YouTube si ka ban ya ni yenya. YouTube better na taxes say free so ama na dru so wo Ghana. E den e na Beyou oto wo wonya. Moya I read before that one munjai sir maame no one what say Akete future because me a producer me a script writer your friend is saying, manager, Akete, despite Odame Wama Akwalano, I will love her from a distance. I will never work with Akete right now as I speak. Until some me was Akete, I didn't know I any penny, a drum pempen, so be to minimum at Snassi. Every day, contract na yes sign no was signing it ya mimi to me kurani akiti
no so ko nya time kwa nya be 5 years
ya de agroi aba wo fie ya de ani miriketue na Beyou onkodru baby nya interview kuran chira akiti aseda me say Beyou de bi oka o se ne sister na ne ba ani akiti nti akiti ye no wo faase they rock the same clothing together, they slay the same clothes together. Boy ne di akole kwa barbering shop baby oyiniti ni ye yaketin suti opam ataria opam the same fabric no wapam na ema version di ashaketin no apam ema version e di ache umpe we na opeka ya motium ukra akete maame ne papa musunsum ne mukra empa de pa mufia beifo eye nkurasefo wo mo nhya kambu po no watu chichichichi so wo mo ba wo mo nine tabro eda fem ti wo mo ba mo nte wo mo na ase mo say akwala no e career mo say ne life mo say ne shine. Yes, obi ni mo brempo wa hyase. Baby say na baby ye ba me catch now. I am putting it to you. Me MPP ni anka me catch us, I'm putting it to you on pink sheet. Say, into boasia na mo anya no. Say nei krapo no. Obi wo baby na se nkopeso obo akete a. Mo I read na mo ye na be ma nipa na adwen ho twice. Ansa no be bo akwala na waboa no. Aden Kurantina say, Mumu ne Beyou are falling out. Mu involve akola ketwa innocent, so innocent child. Onim the left and right. Aketiti we obi ne dware no. Ono antumi nware. Onim katawoto. Aden tina mo involve akete ewo mu ne Beyou insem hunu a ekoso ni. Na meba Emmanuel no Beyou ne krapo no. Abrobe na mu wedi mo. Boy no krapo na ho di ntumi a sebe ya munko yi ne bonia ye tese de nemu yi ne bonia yi nti na obo wo besia na di save wa Akete account mu every month emamo Akete account ne nan chan bosomi o na wo ma me no so wasa bre mo 7 million me si obi ya aban adwuma e wo Ghana ube wu no wa hye coat pampen wa bone tie na ketu ya bosome 3 million 4 million. Obi ye adwuma wo fuel station. Na ketua bosome eye 2 million. Me afra me a. Mi suro na meka. Na nyen tronso na mi twa. Me wo evidence receipt a me ye shopping market ni na me handbag e wo eyi car ni. Me to me etwitwa ni na pictures there to your dealing pages. Hey, mame, ya se oba tan e no nim ne babedie wukunu po na sebe no odi nsem kunu sa na wo se wo oba tan odi aboso obo yem na wodo na yesi fema ka kire ne se mira Beyou dia no kure ne wondi ya broye because ejuma kura meme ya meton eduane wo kwan ho kura bosomi en generate 7 million wonso wo car wo drive no say you obi kura hwa so ma me car ana work and pay abosomi wo nya 7 million emfa mebusuemu na say ye bay 1 Beyou money publication no 2 osanso save sika wa Akete personal account awakwa bia ma Akete a odi Akete din aye next of Kenya enemo moyama boy na switch bibia over to mo a ojai mu 11,000 which is 110 million connected sika within 1 year boy need to me save rules aska we ema Akete e wo na eyi ni savings account mu dia mira na chese boy no opeye ba ni yie nti yenya abotrema no yenya abotrema boy no ni yenhwe bebi ode ye ba no impempen so one ne beko me frame me papa later wo bad time na wo abadaye no na me expect say kasa e na wo be ye den wo be ka kire wo kunu ama wo kunu e de akwa adwendwen mu ni we hu se ne me hu kani me yiri kan die no kore e to aso mu nti de me ye ne se me monitor Beyou na me di mani ato fem na ma hye bebia be kwa akosi me nsa ma me ho 1 year ana 6 months ankwa akosi baby a meje me ba no every boy ni nsem mu fiti ya na mo pomose mo te me dase ya no matwe mo kra ebibifo I read me say me posti say your loved ones and konko follow Beyou family because of the love I have for Beyou then Akete me anya Beyou comedy na nka me nim Akete o
ma me ne say nye Akete a nka Beyou no
one fan so ho oje Akete fi Beyou nsem no we hu say Akete your friends say Beyou subscribers no cry ekọ higher mami e fa so ho Akete aboa Beyou but Beyou so aboa Akete bebrebe e 50-50 you meet me halfway through yeah who shia me na me nso mi shia o Akete waboa Beyou but Beyou so aboa Akete bebrebe
let us say me na hoy se Beyou abefa the day so de ne year
ha o say ye hallelujah amen
abefa so de ne year me kwa no odo me ama
uncle Beyou kawakoma tu mi yem na kawakoma tu yem na me wa fase dede amachi dede na dede maami dede o wa ha say anytime I ever Ghana be afani twabi wate yakura de free of charge at UK o kapre no se mpoa ye hia me pese Akete maami hu say enya Akete nko na sebe oye talented child
oye talented ene Beyou
enra Emmanuel me no kasa ye Beyou no kasa se Beyou and trust script no na wan coachi Akete a Akete can never be Akete enti maami e se wo feel say wo ba Akete wa ye bia ma Beyou a 10% Beyou a 99.9 and half
omoni abre boy ne so sa
sika de maami ye betoe na mom sika na ye wiase ade ni na but se wo hu so obi eboa wo ba ye se osoro eboa de oboa no wo na obetumi ama wo ba Akete aye star nkanya ne se wo tena wo de unsa hye udemri fem se Beyou na mefa wo ba nkoye star so what you say maami me ka kire wo ni wo kunu moye dan moba no or you're very talented all right Akete is very talented you can't take it away from her see your catcher now onya talented cry now catcher no obey mum no si wonka Akete is very talented we cannot take that away from her but the gospel truth is that se Beyou enye Beyou a anka Akete me te yenka minimu no na mababa ye ne ho shopping me this whole year na Akete shopping na entire obehye na duane obedi na nke da me so company me no ka say door to door box asa kwa lande ewo eyi dansoman me di na me de ye shopping me de be ma no don't worry me de be ma no enko no esi ye older than
Mami oni papa ni say ye ade e chano.
Moya I read of what is Akete
because akola or talent nko a. No talent.
Hey, Beyou and me no kasa ye. Esi Mpeninsem ni free ne so. Enya sa ase de bia wo kwa back to daddy. Esi kokoti wo sokura wusha. Mama ni din. Esi kokoti wo sokura wusha. Kweku frempon or the asem beba. Bra. Slogans ne de bebre ne wo menum. You've got my personal number. Call me member obebre. And pay Mpeninsem bia. Akete Mpeninsem manemfa ne de enko.
Okay.
We ye esi kokoti. O se wo sokura wusha. Ati ase. Aha. Mesremo.
kwachi di bi ko bo Linda kwachi di.
Linda kwachi so kura ya shopping akoma Akete Mpeninsem moda. Mesramo, if you've not yet subscribed to Beyou Comedy on YouTube, go and subscribe. Me say Africa near the better quality content ebremo. In collab with better talent ye de bremo. Mami waji Akete aboswa. Yanso yaboye fita duku. Eni enam. Well, me eyelashes no ni din di J no. Free me so sana me eyelashes no ni din die. Me bo to ta say. Me de me eyelashes ne be yo say. Me de be hu atonche. Waji Akete Mpeninsem aboso. Yanso yaboye fita duku. Obi to emo eyi bag ba kokora se ga na enye betesa. Owia wasan ya ma 7 million bosoni bia. Owia wasan to indomie ama. Milo angwa kosia amame aden. Mwanya adie. Omanya adie na mumpene wo mu ebu. Akete Mpeninsem parents omanya adie na mumpene wo mu ebu. Mwanya adie. HAPPY shame. HAPPY shame to Akete Mpeninsem parents. But please, Akete Mpeninsem dear, she's still my love. Me penasem no matter what. Parents no na anya de e ma yemfa otan bia nkwa akola no so akola no oye innocent oni bia ekosupo hey mumpa mumbie page market bogos me si obi anko subscribe to you me dem emprepre me wi ase de mi chikura ni sa me kasa na wo prem obi anko subscribe to Beyou Comedy to the world. Wakanda Beyou forever. Munko subscribe. What? Me kasa Akete. Nentari shem ni neduani dim this year. Kame fasa akane the whole of the year. Mame se dey. And she say I'm free. And I say Yenimu Beyou ni yenimu no Beyou na ne wafa ase ne Akete abrochirefo apese odaya so wo boa wo ya ire wo pese onya your contact na wo de Akete problem beto na me ba ni school fees ma me abo konkomu aso e ma me daya se Beyou no betu bi adaya so wo aside bi afama Beyou no fa besi yeso yenimu wo fans we nya wo fans we ye Beyou fans twu free delete yourself ma me unu ukunu ni na na munjai se mo ye videos no ye hia mo explanation you don't owe us any explanation nipa oyi explanation e be about abeka sewi abo wutiri so ene wukonkomu aso unu ukunu nini na munya kure hu ye hia mo seda Beyou wadaya sedada waji Akete Mpeninsem aboso a yenso yabo ye mfita duku ene ye na me se me eyelashes na de J no se free so ai ye mpesa Akete, wherever you are, Auntie Linda, I still love you very much, okay? Mwah. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to Beyou Comedy to the world. As soon as you subscribe, send us a screenshot. There is a price on it. Let's shame the devil, which is Akete Mpenisem's mom and dad, okay? Yes. Thank you. Beyou. Pressure befoul. No go pressure. Metal market. Akete them mama ne papa. Muba 10 times. Remember 10 times. Emmanuel, pe baby tina na who fighters wa. Make me fight ya mouth till thy kingdom come because minim ne waya ma akola no. Even cry any parents no minim ne waya mom. Emma me kasa wakasa ni na eye. First and last net and run na obaye no. Jainesa ya yaka ya do Akete no. Ene wo ankasa no. Ya be ko ama. What you say? Jaya Akete Akete mama ne papa. Me se mo ba out do me member do mienu, member do mias. In fact, member 10,000. Aye. Na mu me ya shopping bracket. There is a video kwana ko channel posty. Beyou a boy ye di on Akete e ma ye shout out. Say Deelyn e na address Akete. Yes. Videos no nensa kan ye ni na o ye ni video breye inti wo ma me no Beyou wa ma wo ba no wa ye star inti anya nei e na wo ba be ye I read e wo Beyou so se wo se wo mpa yate papa ye ma wo ni na wo mpa yate ya de be ko obi ba foforo so why oba no 4 years ago na Beyou ni em ne so odi ni be dru sania Uncle Angel Mark Mark Angel any Emanuela akwa kodru no me catch a Beyou say onkoya passport e market ni man omu invitation omu bra UK ha say enu na Beyou wakwa passport amako Beyou Akete passport no facilities first sim say Chemutu and how the Bemani prayer and other man in some way in some kwasi ebuo say ya pa na niama ba endri na
oh that's a great
bye totomi